These are the notes for lesson 1.5. You're going to identify and measure angles. So the first problem says identify angle BDE. And I should mention too, you don't have any actual paper notes on these, just watch because it's pretty simple. Identify angle BDE by clicking and dragging the small yellow dots to shade the angle part. So you're actually trying to get the opening of the angle. So if they say angle BDE, let's find point B first. So B would be here. There's not a yellow point there. Don't worry about it. B to D, which would be here, up to E. So if I had an angle formed by these 3 points, my angle would be right here. So I'm clicking on this yellow dot and dragging up to this one. Okay, and I think you can just click off if you mess up. But yeah, we would not want to have all the way from down here up. We would not want to have all the way down there. We would just want to have the angle contained from B to D to E. And that's all you're doing and hitting submit. Okay, we're going to do one more of those. It says identify angle AIG by clicking and dragging to shade the angle. So find point A to I to G. Now this time, since it's this line to I to this line, we do want to make sure we include both these angles here at the vertex I. Okay, so that's the difference between that one and the first one. And then one more thing I'm going to have you do in this lesson. It says measure angle KLM with the protractor and write your answer to the nearest degree. What you can do is click and you can just drag this around if that helps you. But you can see this little gray box here. That's your working space. You can't ever bring it outside of that. So I like to kind of zoom in here. Then what you want to do is use this blue dot. You click and you drag. And you want to put it at the vertex of your angle, which is point L. Then from there, I'm going to move this green dot and the yellow dot stays where it's at. I can make it bigger, smaller, but I need to line this green dot up with one of my points. If I do it like this and put it on point M, I don't have my angle here to measure in the degree part. So what I need to do is actually put the screen point on point K, and it'll kind of snap into place. See, this is 0 degrees. So this is like having just a line. Then I'm opening up until I get to M. So now I might even want to take my green dot and move this in a little bit so I can actually see where that's at. And then you can scroll. I can click and drag still, but I can scroll and get closer. So it goes this way, small to big. If this is 80, this is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 degrees, 86. It's right at 87 degrees is what I would want to type into my answer box. Okay, and you can see that that's almost a right angle. It's just 3 degrees off of that.